guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya and I create beauty and lifestyle related videos. I hope everyone is doing good, safe at home, enjoying their days, lockdown days. I know थोड़े दिन बचे हैं, इसके बाद lockdown will be over and we can go out. I hope ऐसा हो. I really hope ऐसा हो. Also, we have gathered here today for a jewelry haul. So the last time I posted a jewelry haul, I got a great response and I just thought of doing a part 2 because everyone on YouTube seems to enjoy jewelry hauls a lot, and if you want to see it, I will obviously go ahead and create it. So I have few pics from an Instagram store, that is my favorite one, and few from Amazon. Actually not few from Amazon, only one from Amazon. I just thought of doing this haul and showing you what all I got. Also, this haul is going to be super affordable. All the jewelry that I got were under 500. I know jewelry under 500 is a steal. I love, and some of them were as cheap as 150, and I just love affordable jewelry. On the other hand, can we please appreciate this eye makeup? Oh my god, the pink and green is actually giving me life. It is so beautiful, well blended. I did not record this because I just did it for this video. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी में मैंने किया, इसलिए मैंने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. But if you want, like if you like it, you can tell me or let me know and I can recreate it on my Instagram or somewhere. That's it, and like I always say, without any further ado, let's get started. The first jewelry piece is from Amazon, and these are the earrings that I am wearing. It is so pretty. It is an oxidized earring, like oxidized jewelry, and it is so pretty, big, Chandbali kind of a shape, and I love it. I think I got it for 100 or 150 on Amazon. I don't remember the exact price of each pieces. I'll mention it somewhere here. Also, I'll leave a link in the description box. So if you want to purchase, you can go ahead and just go ahead with the link. I love this earring so much. If you're wearing a simple kurta, this oxidized earring would actually change the game. It looks so beautiful. I mean, whenever I have wore it once or twice on my Instagram, and people do keep on asking me कहाँ से लिया. So now you know, ये मैंने Amazon से लिया है. Link description box में दे दिया जाएगा. You can go ahead and purchase this if you want. This is really beautiful. Amazon does have good jewelry. If you want, I can do a whole Amazon jewelry video as well. I mean, I don't know if you're interested, but if you're interested, please do let me know and I'll do that. This is the first piece. Pretty basic, ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but super beautiful. I had only one pair of earrings that I felt was super affordable from Amazon. Rest all the jewelry is from an Instagram store, and the name of that Instagram store, I know you guessed it and you guessed it right. The name of that Instagram store is Be Authentic. If you have watched my previous jewelry haul, you might know that how much I love this Instagram store. I can totally rely on this Instagram store for good jewelry. कोई भी ओकेशन हो, दिवाली, गणपति, कुछ भी हो, तो आई गो अहेड एंड परचेज jewelry from her. She's so reliable, she's so hardworking. She has such a good collection of jewelry that is very unique. Some are very common. If you want to get inspired by a particular look, you can find such pieces at her place. I'll highly urge you to go ahead and check her Instagram. It's crazy out there. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a very royal pearl necklace, choker necklace, and this earring. Oh my god, I'm telling you, this is so beautiful. I have wore this on my Instagram once and I was flooded with DMs कि कहाँ से लिया है. I like as usual मैंने बता दिया कि मैंने वो स्टोर से लिया था, but everyone was keen to know. This is such a stunner piece, looks good on each and everything. You can wear it with a sari, you can wear it with a kurta, or you can wear it with a kurta pajama set. Whatever you like, you can go ahead and amp your outfit with this. This is a very royal kind of jewelry. If you like, if your vibe matches with that, please go ahead and buy this. I remember the price of this, for some strange reason this was for 425, and 425 for such a good quality jewelry. I mean, like seriously, this is a gem. अगर आपको ये वीडियो में से कोई एक ज्वेलरी पिकअप करनी होगी, प्लीज़ ये पिकअप करना from Be Authentic. It is really worth every penny of yours. It makes you look so, highness kind of feel दे रहा मुझे, your highness ऐसे वाला feel दे रहा मुझे. This is really beautiful. Please go ahead and check. The next piece is this stunner jhumka, and स्टनर झुमका से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा इसका प्राइस है. आई गॉट इट फॉर सेल, और सेल में मुझे कुछ 150 का पड़ा आई गेस. एंड दिस इज सो 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 ब्यूटिफुल. सो द प्राइस ऑफ दिस ज्वेलरी वुड बी मोर, बट शी कीप्स ऑन रनिंग दिस रैंडम सेल, जहाँ पे वो कुछ कुछ पीसेस सेल में निकालती है एंड यू कैन बाय इट फ्रॉम हर इफ़ यू वांट. एंड सेल में कुछ इतने अच्छे जेम्स मिल जाते हैं. I'm totally into it. I believe in buying things when they are on sale because you get the most out of it, and this was so reasonable. Silver झुमका and mirror work हुआ है इस पे, and नीचे pearls भी है, and it looks so 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 beautiful. I know मैंने beautiful बहुत ही बार बोल दिया होगा इस वीडियो में, but each and every piece is so close to my heart and I'm showing you my best jewelry. मतलब मैं उससे, मेरे को ऐसे लगता है कि मैं उनसे खरीदती हूँ 100% खरीदती होंगी, तो मैं आपको बेस्ट 50% ही दिखा रही हूँ, और 50% भी मैं दिखा सकती हूँ, बट वीडियो बहुत लॉन्ग हो जाएगा इसलिए मैं दिखा नहीं रही. बट शी हैज सच गुड ज्वेलरी, एंड द फैक्ट दैट आई लव मोस्ट अबाउट हर कि वो क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी होती है. इट डजेंट फील चीप, इट डजेंट फील फ्लिम्जी. इफ़ यू गो अहेड एंड वेयर इट आउटसाइड, पीपल विल गिव यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स फॉर श्योर. एंड आई ऑलवेज गो अहेड एंड recommend her to people. Like I go ahead and tell people कि यहाँ से buy करो, and people do buy. Don't worry, this is not a sponsored video. किसी को कुछ नहीं पता है, उन्होंने मुझे पैसे नहीं दिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. But I really like the work she is doing, and I really want to support her and I want her to grow. So Simran, if you're seeing this, I love the work you're doing. Your jewelry quality is amazing and I really want you to grow and be a very big person. Also, let's talk about this earring now. So this is such a good and a stunner piece. If you are going to wear a black kurta, I can see myself wearing a black kurta and then pairing it up with this beautiful jhumka. Oh my god, jhumkas do have my heart, and this is the like appropriate size. It is not too big, it is not too small. It will not make you like not make your face look small or big. Ekdam proper, ekdam perfection is the word I have for this jhumka. I really love it. I'll mention the price somewhere over here of every product. You can go ahead and check it on her page as well. So this is the third item and I love it. So my next pick is this beautiful mirror work jhumka. Can you see how beautiful and big it is? Like this is the kind of jewelry you want to wear when you want to make a statement. You want to like make people know that you are a boss lady or a badass bitch. I mean, this is something that you would wear. I would wear it with a plain kurta, plain red color kurta or plain maroon color kurta, a dark kurta for sure, and it would look so beautiful. It would look good with light colors as well, but I'm just suggesting what I will wear it with. It is so beautiful. The mirror work is so beautiful. The jhumka is so big, rich, royal. I mean, like everything about the jhumka is a love. I don't exactly remember the price. I'll mention it somewhere here. Jhumkas have my heart. I really enjoy a good jhumka with a simple kurti. I like to amp it up with a jhumka. This is so beautiful. I love silver jewelry, and by now आपने देखा ही होगा मेरे 99% jewelry silver ही होती है. I do love gold jewelry. I don't hate it. I have a love-hate relationship with gold jewelry, but I do love gold jewelry. But silver jewelry versatile होते हैं. It looks good. It makes you stand out. So that is what I love. So this is our fourth pick, and I love it. This is the fifth piece of jewelry that I really like best jewelry है मेरी. It does come with a earring, but मैंने घुमा दिया है वो. I'm so sorry, but the earrings are really beautiful. And this is a choker, green color choker. I mean, I love chokers. I don't like long dangly neck pieces. I lean more towards the choker thing. This is so beautiful. If you have a green color outfit or a mehendi outfit, I can wear it on my mehendi night as well. This is so beautiful. बहुत ही simple है, but it makes a hell lot of a difference. This is so beautiful. I love this choker. The quality is good. I got it under 500 और क्या ही चाहिए. I mean, like it's beautiful. It has this money का काम यहाँ पे, and then there is some gold का काम over here. I love it. Diamond gold में है, and then there is all this money thing. ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू से कि सब कुछ मैंने बहुत पहले ख़रीदा है, पैंडमिक के पहले आई गेस, बट मैंने वीडियो नहीं बनाई थी। आई डोंट नो फॉर वॉट रीजन्स, बट मैंने नहीं बनाई थी। कुछ पीसेज नए हैं बट कुछ पीसेज बहुत पुराने भी है। सो यू कैन गो अहेड एंड चेक इफ इट इज़ अवेलेबल। इफ़ यू लाइक समथिंग you can go ahead and check with her if it is available and she'll let you know. But I think you should definitely pick this choker and that pearl one because these are so beautiful. It looks so good. अगर आप साड़ी पहन रहे हो ना तो it will look wow, it will look literally wow. I can just pair a yellow sari with green color accessories because yellow and green you know color wheel में साथ में आते हैं, so you can pair, ऐसे आप पेयर कर सकते हैं if you want to. You can also wear only this choker अगर आपका कोई deep neck का कुर्ता है या ऐसा कुछ है, बिकॉज डीप नेक पे जहाँ पे आपका डेकोल्टाज एरिया दिख रहा है, दिस चोकर वुड लुक beautiful. This was my last pick for the night. I really hope that you like this. So guys, with that we finish our jewelry haul. I really hope you liked it. If you like to see such haul videos, please do let me know. That gives me a reason to go ahead and purchase things. Shopping is my favorite thing, you might have guessed it by now. So if you like such kind of videos, please do let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, please comment under this video, share it with your friends, they might find it useful, and please turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, bye bye, love.